Hello, Internet. This video is part of the home remodel playlist on Scott's Garage. Currently, I'm remodeling our master bathroom. This video is also on the tool review playlist. From time to time, companies send me tools at Scott's Garage to do a review on. And this company is called CPTEC, and they've given me this toolkit, which is a PEX B toolkit. They also sent me a swaging tool, which I have a separate video on, completely different tools. Now, this particular kit is all about the PEX B. So it comes with a cutter, and I've already used this, and it's a combination of metal and plastic, but the blade and most of it is metal and very, very sharp. And again, pleased with that. It also comes with some PEX clamps. So there are 10 of the 3/4 inch clamps and then 20 of the 1/2 inch clamps. These can get quite pricey at the box stores or any hardware store. And it also comes then with the clamp tool itself, which I've already looked at, and just to figure it out and stuff. And it's medium weight. It's not heavy gauge, but it's not light gauge at all. And it feels very comfortable in the hand. And it is all metal except for the handles that are here. And the kit also comes with a gauge if you need to make sure it's not crimping too far. You can use this gauge. I've not tried it, and I'm going to just try it as is. So in this video, I'll be testing it out for the first time. Now, I'll let you know how I feel about this at the very end. Also, I will also put an Amazon affiliate link in the description if you decide to use this toolkit, which is more reasonable than if you were just to buy these tools separately at the box stores. If you do use my link, it costs you the same on Amazon. Eventually, Amazon sends me a very small portion of the sale. Now let's get started. So I already put in clamps ahead of time and have them approximately the right distance from the end. Just I'm going to put a little back pressure on this. There we go. So far, so good. At the very end, I'll be going to the crawl space and actually connecting the water, and we'll be checking for leaks. It's pretty foolproof. So I didn't record it, but I went down to the crawl space. I turned the main water valve off. I crawled underneath here, the crawl space below, and I used the PEX B crimping tool kit. And I basically spliced in and crimped the connections. There are some shut-off valves there. Everything hooked up to the red and the blue hoses here. I then turned the valves on. I turned the main valve on. I didn't hear any leaks from below. A little bit anxious though. I came up here and there are no leaks. So I am very pleased with how the KFCP toolkit worked for the PEX B. I give it a thumbs up. If you're looking for an affordable crimping tool set, PEX B, please consider this one. And I'll put again a link in the description below. And as always, have a great day.